Hi there, welcome to my studio and welcome to my art course. My name is Christina. I am a full-time artist and illustrator with over a decade experience of teaching both kids and adults. I specialize in a variety of media from inks to watercolors and oil paintings. In this course, we will be mainly focusing on pencil work and watercolors, but the lessons that you learn here can be applied to any medium that you wish to work on your own. While I personally really enjoy painting landscapes and flowers, in this course we will cover a variety of media from animals to architecture to still lifes, and you have the power to request the themes that you would like to have covered in this class. I will be happy to paint them together and try a lot of different lessons with you to make sure that you are able to build the skills that you are looking for. So the way that I like to structure my courses is I like to have monthly themes just to help harmonize the learning process a little bit and to make it a little bit more interesting. So in the beginning of the month, I will be releasing the lesson that will be specific to a certain technique or a certain subject. Depending on your membership level, you will receive either a PDF lesson or both PDF and a video lesson. And that will give you a couple of exercises to kind of introduce you to the subject so you can practice it on your own a little bit. And then in the second half of the month, I will release a full video and a full PDF lesson going into more details on the subject. For example, if our theme for the month is painting foliage, then I will release a couple of exercises in the beginning of the month to help you paint different foliages using different techniques to achieve different effects. And then in the second half of the month, we're actually going to paint a full tree in the landscape, really focusing on the best ways to represent the character or a certain type of foliage and how to paint the tree with the other trees around it. Or if we focus on painting textures of feathers, then in the beginning of the month we will try different feathers of different birds, and then at the end of the month we will paint a full bird. So you will be slowly developing a full beautiful portfolio with a variety of works, and you will slowly going to be developing your own style and kind of discovering the things that you would like to focus on more in the future or in your own practice. I've also developed a mentorship tier where, in addition to all of the classes that you're going to be getting as a part of the course, you will have my individual one-on-one attention helping you develop your style and your body of work. It doesn't matter if you're just doing this as a hobby or if you're trying to build a creative career, building a portfolio that you can submit to the galleries or put on your website for your clients to see. I can help you focus on getting the best out of the time that you spend doing art and focusing on the things you need to improve. I can also recommend different additional materials that will help you to set yourself up for success. So I hope you enjoy this art course. I am happy to have you here and I'm looking forward to painting together with you and getting to know you a little bit better throughout the process. If you have any questions, I'm always one message away. Just send a message, or if you sign up for the live video sessions, then we can paint together and you can ask me questions as we paint together. But even if you just want to shoot an email, I'm always happy to say hi and I'm always happy to chat with you. So explore the course, see all of the material that's already out there waiting for you, get inspired, get your materials out, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next class.